Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing step-by-step guide through which you can get as much as up to 91% off when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the special discounting mentioned in the description of this video and in the first comment of this video. So once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal because you have clicked on the special link. So over here you can see up to 75% off, but I will tell you step by step on how you can get as much as up to 91% off because you have clicked on a special discount link. Now you can see that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google Host Advice, Background. All of them says that Hostinger is an amazing company, and without a doubt, because I have been using it from the last 4 years on my own main blog, and this is an amazing hosting company, and which is why I'm here with a special discount link for my audience. So these are the three most popular plan, and guys, you know that you can get a discount on any plan. Just make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get further discounts. So do a comparison, thorough research of all the plans before you're going to get. But there are a few things which are very good regarding Hostinger, which convinced me. For instance, their website migration service. So in case if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated service which is going to transfer all of your website data free of cost. And this is the control panel, also known as the HPanel, industry's finest. Very easy, even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issues or hurdles. So I highly recommend, very good, and has all the features and functions you may need, including WordPress, software installer, one-click installer of many things including WordPress. Also, Hostinger do not compromise on speed, reliability, and they have local data centers all around the world, and 24/7 support is just amazing. Even in my 4 years, I just hardly had to connect with them for anything. And the security features are just mind-blowing because you have clicked on the link. So you're going to explore that they provide you with unlimited access to security certificates, DDoS attack prevention, and they also have automatic backup and two-factor authentication. And at this moment, 4 million plus people are using it, and I'm using it. So now, if you wanted the part of the Hostinger family, so make sure to click on the link in the description and choose any plan. So for instance, we are going with this plan, or let's say we are going with this plan which is at 77% off. So guys, the landing page may fluctuate, but make sure to click on the link in the description and use right of the coupon code to get an amazing discount. So once you select the choose plan, you may see that now you are being redirected to another page, and on that page I will tell you that this is an exclusive discount deal running right now, so take the maximum out of it. After this, you can select your billing period. Now another amazing thing is that the higher the billing period, the more the discount you're going to get. And because these are one-time prices, because you have clicked on the link, so these prices won't appear again. So take the maximum out of it. I recommend you to opt for the 48 months, but the discount you can get is on 12, 24 and 48 months. So select the 48 months. You can see the current pricing right now at 77% off, but once you write this coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with the special discount link, or in the first comment of this video with a special discount link, you're going to see that your price got a further discount. So do a math, 48 months, exclusive pricing, daily backup free of cost, 2 extra months, free domain privacy protection, and 10% extra, making it as much as up to 91%. So now there is another coupon code. This is also mentioned along with the link in the description or in the first comment, and you can use either of the coupon code to get this discount. And you can see that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing. And after this, they may ask you to log into the account. I'm just going to log into my Google account, synchronize it, and then going to show you further. So I am just now logged into my account. So I have also adjusted the price to US dollars from the pounds, but you can always select and adjust as per your country of residence. You can select your country. I can select any, wherever I belong to, write my name, billing details, and then move on to the last part, and that is opting for the payment methods. Another good thing about Hostinger is that they offer you variety of payment methods. Guys, you can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So you have variety of payment methods to use, which I think is a very good option with any hosting company. And let's say we're going with a credit card, write your credit card details and click the submit button to the final link, and within few minutes you are going to get an email along with a link to your Hostinger account and all of your username and password details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get amazing discount. I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 years for my own main blog, and my experience is superb, and highly recommend you guys to be the part of Hostinger family, especially with their 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to click on the link in the description of the first comment of this video to enjoy this amazing discount. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.